So we ran a competition to find the next generation of great young journalists. We knew there was great journalistic potential out there among young people, and we just wanted to identify some of those new talents. We had a blog competition and we had some really great work sent into us.
The student had to create a website and publish work on there, and the winner would basically win an iPad, so then they could carry on with their website. And I think this just kind of helps progress their skills and just kind of gives them a little bit of experience before if they want to go to university. So within the Media Hub, we decided to offer sort of one-to-one experience with anybody who decided to create their website for the competition. So it was kind of like we were offering one-to-one support that they could have had. We said they could have offered to come in and had one-to-ones with me and the other intern Ewan, and it just meant we could go through like any feedback and things like that with them, just to help improve their work. I held a masterclass in terms of how to create your own WordPress website. So I did a video tutorial of a step-by-step guide from basically creating it, to picking the theme, to choosing your domain, your URL, and how to basically publish a post on there, create a post.
I'm Erin Jones. I'm from Stockton Sixth Form College, and basically this came from doing English Lit at A-level. It was through my English teacher actually through college. She sent over the information on Teams, I think it was. So because we were part of the newspaper group in college, so she was kind of getting us interested in other things apart from just like in the wider range of journalism basically. And Vicarious was basically about movies and TV and film, but also a little bit of music, a little bit of books, and basically just what I'm interested in at the moment, what I've been reading, what I've been listening to, what I've been watching, and kind of just thinking about like the wider aspects of those pieces of media basically. I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting it at all. I just did this just for a bit of fun, to kind of like introduce myself and kind of express the way that I feel about media and film. I'm not sure what I want to do as a job or even at university just quite yet. I have picked up my courses, but this has definitely let me put my whole body through the door to say, but yes, it's really been an exciting opportunity.
There was a great passion for the arts, and it really shone through. The work was so lively and engaging and colourful.
Just trust your gut, just go with what you enjoy, what you are currently interested in at the moment, and just kind of like be free with it. Just let yourself be vulnerable. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. It's all about having fun, and at the end of the day, it's not about winning, it's about the journey that comes with it.